Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have moved house, but I still have two old videos from my old kitchen to share with you. So I hope you enjoy them. And this one is really delicious pasta recipe. You want to start out by cooking your pasta for about 8 minutes in some hot water with salt and olive oil. Then you want to get rid of the water and you want to add some butter as well as some chives. You can use other herbs as well, but that's just what I like. Then you want to give that a quick mix and let that cool down a little bit. In a smaller bowl, you want to heat up the ricotta cheese with some creme fraiche, as well as the almonds, some nutmeg and some cinnamon. And on very low heat, you want to start mixing that all together until you have an even mixture. Next, you want to go ahead and add the olive oil, and the exact measurements are down below as always. Give that a quick mix again until everything is combined. Now let's add some vegetable stock with some water and just mix it all in. And this is all on low to medium heat. Then you want to add salt and pepper to taste, as well as some Italian herbs. And now you can pour the sauce over the spaghetti and then very carefully mix it all together until you have a good texture to your pasta. I like really heavy creamy sauces with spaghetti, so this was perfect for me. It was really delicious. I was actually a bit surprised, and you can serve it with some pine nuts as well if you want to. I actually just forgot. So yeah, this was very delicious. I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.